Hey everyone, welcome back. Recently I've been seeing a lot of posts about a supposed unlimited coins method for Match Factory. People keep claiming it's quick, easy, and doesn't require a PC, unofficial apps, or any changes to your device. I wasn't sure whether those claims were actually true, so I decided to test the process myself and record everything from start to finish. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I tried, show you each step, and share what I observed along the way. Then we'll check the results together and see what actually happened with my account. Before moving forward with the test, I needed to check one detail inside Match Factory, my player ID. I opened the game, went to my profile section, and found the ID connected to my account. I saved it so I could keep track of the information while documenting the process. It was a quick step, and once I had everything ready, I could continue with the next part of the experiment. After that, I opened my browser. I'm using Chrome, but you can use any browser you want. I typed in the website that everyone has been talking about and waited for it to load. The page opened normally, and everything looked pretty simple and easy to understand. After the page loaded, I searched for Match Factory and opened the section related to the game. The page then presented a series of steps and requested certain details, so I reviewed what was being asked and continued documenting the process for the purpose of the test. At this point, I was mainly focused on seeing how the method worked and whether the claims being shared online matched the actual experience. The next step was choosing how much resources I wanted. Since I was testing the method, I picked one of the larger amounts. After confirming my choice, the site started showing loading bars and different progress messages. It looked like it was processing everything, but I wanted to wait until I checked the game before making any conclusions. There was also a short verification step before the process finished. I finished going through the steps earlier, so now it was time to check the final result. I went back into Match Factory and reviewed my account to see whether anything had actually changed. That brings this experiment to an end. You've now seen the full process from start to finish, so you can make your own judgment about the claims. Keep in mind that methods shared online can be unpredictable, so it's always worth staying cautious and doing your own research before trying anything. If you've come across similar claims or tested something like this yourself, let me know your experience in the comments. And if you enjoyed this type of mobile game test, review, and experiment content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.